Hello everybody, my name's William Killen. I'm from Insistics, the leaders in pest management and innovation. I'm on site this morning with the new Era Pest Control. We're doing an EXTERRA install and I'll just run you through what's going on here. So we're out in lovely Serpentine in West Australia today. 29 degrees, bit overcast, so it's beautiful. The guys have already started doing an install here. These are what we call in concrete stations, and as you can see, they've got them in an absolutely beautiful line, and I'll describe how they managed to do that once we get round the corner. So if you just follow me up here, I'll let you have a look at the stations and what's involved in the stations. So this is basically everything that we need. We've got a concrete core cutter which is diamond tipped, and as you can see here, they've actually hit some steel, which is a reinforcement that goes into the concrete when it's poured, and this diamond tip just cuts through this. We then have the termite focus attractant that goes in this hole. This is basically leading science technology. This creates CO2 in the soil, and it actually attracts the termites only from a 2-meter radius. So it doesn't bring them in from miles away, it's designed to attract them to these stations. This is the only system on the market that actually has this science behind it. A lot of other systems, just stations in the ground, has no attractant. This is the quality here, we own it, this is our product. Fantastic. Without this, it's not much of a system when you put them in the ground. We've got the cage here that will go in the ground, and we have the 4 timber interceptors, which is a eucalyptus timber that we use, and then this is the in concrete station that goes in the ground. These come in stainless steel or non-slip. They've decided to go for non-slip round this property, which just means if anybody stands on it, it actually has a rough surface, it won't slide. If you have got painted driveways or pathways, you can have the top of these painted in your own time, and it will match in with your concrete. So this is a possibility to do that with these stations. So if we just move on, we can have a look inside this station here. So if we just have a pan into this hole, and you'll see the station in there. So we've got the interceptors, the cage, the focus is already on there, and then the steel cap, bang, goes in. So if we just move on to this next one, how this works, we've got an expanding foam on the bottom here, a rubber, and then we've got a 10mm bit on top of the station. So we can have our bit. You can use a screwdriver, you can use a hand tool if you want. They've opted to go for the power tool here, so it just goes in. That is it. You cannot move that off, you can't trip over it. So this system is completely safe and nobody can get harmed from it. There is no poisons used in this product at all. When we come to baiting termites, if the termites become live, then we use a product called Requiem. The active in that is chlorofluorazeron. Now the LD50 in that is massively high, which means it is not poisonous. So table salt has more of a poison in it than what the bait does that we use to kill the termites. So if we have to put this bait in your house when you have live termites, there's no problem. It can go in the kitchen, bedroom, you can sleep right next to it, sit right next to it, there is no problems at all. Now we've got the guys for New Year around the corner here. We'll just have a walk up, and they're actually working, but we'll go and have a look and see what they're doing. I mean, the setting up here is absolutely fantastic. This property is amazing. Like if you just pan round there and have a look, they've got the big dam at the bottom. This is still in progress, it's all been newly built. And then we've got the guys here. We're going to have a quick meet with them, going to disturb them too much. How you like it? Right? You got it up? Yeah. Like that. So this is Jaden, he's coring the hole here. So this is one of the new Era crew. How you doing, Jaden?
Hey mate, how's it going?
Yep, wicked. So they've got this template here that Tony's taken away. What this is designed to do is it gives them a perfect spacing all the way around the edge of this concrete, so everything lines up absolutely perfectly. So that's set up ready for the next one. Tony's doing that. We've got CJ hiding in the corner here. How you doing, CJ? And here's Clint across here as well. So we got a bit of the crew on site today, and we're just getting this EXTERRA install done. So this will be this place fully protected, and that's it. They're not going to have any troubles, and they're absolutely doing a fantastic job. Anyway, thanks very much for watching, and I'll catch you later.